Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs like the Euro USD, Pound USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart and there are many ups and downs on the chart. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USD JPY. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy. Clear? So if you look at the chart here, then we can see that there was a downtrend in the market and after that market has recovered sharply. So if we just look at the chart here, then we do not get a clear picture what is the present trend of the market. Okay, because see, market was in downtrend and right now there is a sharp recovery going on. So we are not sure what is the overall trend of the market, because if we look at the left hand side, then again we can see that market was in uptrend. So the picture is kind of messy, kind of confusing. But if we look at this particular portion of the chart here, or if I just ask you to focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can clearly see that this market is heavily bullish right now. Just forget about what I told you before. Okay, just forget about this particular portion of the chart. Just focus on this chart and just answer it. Okay, whether the market is bullish or not. Yes, the market is extremely bullish right now. So as we all know, we should follow the trend. The basic rule of the market, or the thumb rule of the market, says follow the trend. Trend is our friend, trend is our best friend, trend is our girlfriend, boyfriend. But there are certain things that we must understand, okay, before following the trend and looking for buying opportunities. You can see that I have got two lines here drawn on the chart. Okay, two lines here. So if you have watched my other videos, previous videos on USD JPY, then you can recognize this line. This is the resistance for the market and this is the support for the market. And I have been talking about this support level for around 3-4 months, because 109.75 is extremely crucial for the chart of USD JPY for a long time, because it was acting as a resistance for the market and right now the same level is acting as a support for the market. Therefore, on the chart of USD JPY, if you do not have this line drawn, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, because you do not want to mess with this line. Okay, so please draw this line 109.75 level. This should be in your trading platform. And why am I saying that this level is important or crucial? Though we can see that market has broke it many times, because we have the answer in the weekly time frame. As you know, I'm a big fan of multi time frame analysis, especially the weekly time frame. And I must tell you that weekly time frame is extremely important, because weekly time frame is a time frame of the institutional traders, the big boys. Therefore, this time frame is very important. So if we look at the time frame here, then you can see that previously this level was acting as a resistance for the market, and right now one candle signifies 1 week, because we are in the weekly time frame. After the market broke the resistance, and the same resistance became the support. Okay, the same resistance became the support, and you can see right now whenever market is facing selling pressure from above, the same level 109.75 is acting as a support for the market. You can see that previous week market faced heavy selling pressure, but still market managed to close above the resistance. Before that also. For the past 3 weeks, though market is facing selling pressure from above, but market is managing somehow to close above it. So which clearly signifies that 109.75 is still a crucial level for the chart of USD JPY. Therefore, please draw the line. And apart from the 109.75 level, the next important level is this. Sorry about the bad line. Okay, let me draw a line again. This level is also very important, and this level is 110.55. So this is the resistance for the market and this is the support for the market right now. Clear? So we have a very strong support, and on the top we have a resistance 110.55. So these are the two important levels for the market right now. Clear? And if we go to Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So this is the Forex sentiment meter. What am I saying? So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 79% retail traders have taken short position and 20% retail traders have taken long position. So 79% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. Okay. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. And they lose money because they always stand against the trend of the market. If a market is an uptrend, they assume that market has reached the top, market will reverse. Okay, ultimately they end up losing money. Okay. See, 79% are thinking that market will be going down. Okay, and you can see that. Okay, you can see that market is extremely bullish right now. In this condition, they have taken short position, and this is the main reason. Okay, why they lose money all the time, because they always take trade against the trend. And if you go to the Forex volatility calculator here, you can use this calculator just to know how much movement you can expect. Okay, so see, this is the USD JPY. You can see in the 15 minutes time frame, you can expect 2.3 pips movement. In the 30 minutes, you can expect a movement of 3.4 pips. In the 1 hour, you can expect a movement of 5.8 pips. In the 4 hours, you can expect a movement of 16 pips. So there is also not much volatility in the USD JPY right now. So this will tell you, after taking a position, how much movement you can expect from a particular currency pair. Okay, so this volatility calculator is extremely handy, a very handy tool for the traders. And recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program. Here you'll find on my website. You can be a part of my analysis for $15 per month, and I'll be sharing market analysis report. See, there are many currency pairs in the market, Forex market, that are in best position to trade, and we generally miss those opportunities. So I'll be sharing those opportunities with you, minimum 3 analysis report per week. And if you want to check out how the report will look like, then just click on this button here. The report will download. Okay, and you'll just find out how will it look like. It's a PDF file. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the chart and let's discuss what should be a strategy. So the strategy is simple. Right now market is going up. Still do not trade, do not go for any buy, any sell here, because right now market is in the middle. If you go for a buy here, your stop loss will be here. And as this is a resistance, this will be a take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as the market is heavily bullish right now, so there is no logic of taking a short order here. Therefore, this is your no trading zone. Simple, no trading zone. So wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to hit this resistance level 110.55. Once market will hit this resistance level, just observe the price. Just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see price reversing from this resistance level, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, this resistance is still valid, and you can short the market here. And we'll get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star, red candle like this, or price rejection from above. On the other hand, if market comes down and takes support here at 109.75, you can also go for a buy here once market bounces, because you have already seen that how important this level is for the chart of USD JPY. So buy at support, sell at resistance. Simple strategy for USD JPY right now. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. For all the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.